Today, I'll walk you through how to share a link on Snapchat Stories, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add a link to your Snapchat story so you can share content seamlessly with your friends and followers. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat frequently updates its interface, but the core functions remain the same. Now, from the camera screen, you'll want to capture a photo or video that you want to link on your story. You can either take a new snap or upload an existing one from your gallery. Think of this as selecting the canvas for your artwork. What you choose here sets the stage for your story. Once you have your photo or video ready, you'll be directed to the Edit page. Here you'll see various editing tools. Look for the link icon. It typically resembles a chain link. Click on that icon to proceed. This step is crucial as it's where the magic happens, just like adding a key ingredient to a recipe. Next, you'll need to add the link that you want to attach. This could be a website, a video, or any other online content you wish to share. Simply paste the link into the designated field. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just ensure that the link is correct before you move on. Once you've added your link, you can customize how it appears on your snap. You might want to add some text or stickers to make it more engaging. This is your chance to get creative and make your story stand out. Finally, when you're satisfied with your snap, go ahead and share it to your story. Your friends and followers can now swipe up on your snap to access the link you've shared. This feature is a fantastic way to drive traffic to your content and keep your audience engaged. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share a link on Snapchat Stories. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this out a few times until you feel comfortable. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.